Hello friends, welcome back to Pink's Kitchen. Today let's check out how to cut a capsicum without messing your cutting board with the seeds. I got inspired this cutting hack from Gordon Ramsay's video. I'm also going to show you how to cut the capsicum in different ways for different recipes. So let's get started. I've taken a capsicum with a stem and 4 bumps. To begin with, cut off the stem. Turn it to the other side and hold it tight this way. Cut it and make sure you don't go too deep. Rotate 45 degrees and make another cut and repeat the same until the end. Now we have the seed part untouched. You can see that not a single seed is disturbed. Now let me show you how to cut the capsicum in different ways for different recipes. To begin with, let me show you how to cut for any variety of noodles. Hold it tight and cut into strips. Now let me show you how to cut for Manchurian recipes. Cut the capsicum corner into 2 halves and turn it this way and run through into wedges. Now let me show you how to cut for salads. This is similar to the previous cut but into bigger wedges. Now let's see how to cut for pullaus or any kurmas. Cut into strips. Turn it this way and cut into smaller pieces. Now we are all done with different ways of cutting without the seeds messing around. Very useful hack, so do try this at your home and let me know your feedback. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends. Hello friends, welcome back to Pink's Kitchen. Today let's check out how to cut a pineapple and slice it easily in few minutes. Everybody loves pineapple, but when it comes to cutting, it's always a headache. So this video is for you. Let's get started. I've taken 1 big pineapple today. Cut both the ends. Hold the pineapple this way and start cutting the outer layer. Don't make it too deep. Go all the way around till the starting point. Now clear the top and bottom portion. Now we are done with chopping the outer layer, so let's move on to removing the pineapple eyes. You can see that the pineapple eyes are aligned in a diagonal position. So using a very sharp knife, make a diagonal cut before and after the eye. Now scoop out the pineapple eye. Likewise, go all the way around. Don't go too deep, just removing the eye is enough, else you will lose the flesh. Now we have gone all the way around. We have a very beautiful design. Now make slices. You can go with any thickness of your choice. 1 centimeter thickness should be good. Very beautiful design. Definitely this hack will be a lifesaver when you have pineapples at home. So do try this hack at your home and write back to me your feedback. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends. If you wish to check out our recipes in Tamil, do visit Upping's Kitchen Tamil channel. Do subscribe to Upping's Kitchen channel and click on the bell icon for latest updates. Happy cooking and thanks for watching this video.